time to move out of this apartment. It's time to go to the bivouac because it's day 4 and today we're moving bivouacs back to Portugal and yeah, I gotta go. Because I have quite some luggage being en route for a total of 11 days, not just for the rally but in general. I'm gonna go get the car first, get it as close as possible to... Oh, do you hear that? This was beeping all night. Bastard. Now, question of all questions. Is it raining? Not at the moment. Normally I hate driving with the jacket, but things need to move quick now, don't they? This is one of the tightest parking spots I ever had to make work. Where's he coming with me? 15 minutes to go there. It's gonna be a tight one. What we learned from last time on day 2 when the bivouacs moved is that literally nothing is there anymore. There is no media center because they are packing up. Obviously the teams are leaving, so I'm bareback. I didn't even bring my backpack. I'm just gonna show you the team leaving. And then I'm leaving as well. I just found a little coffee shop. Goodbye, guys. I just found a little coffee shop close by. So I think I'm gonna sit there for maybe 45 minutes, an hour. Get the next video out for you guys. And then it's time to find a viewpoint. I keep saying that every morning. It's time to find a viewpoint.
A bit more, Charlie, a bit more. There you go.
Not yet. Couldn't see the white line. Got fucking mud on it. Get a crate out, get a crate out.
Morning. I'm currently changing my shoes because this is the reality from where I was just before. And I'm going to a close by coffee shop to get some breakfast. And I don't want to ruin their whole coffee shop with those shoes. So thank goodness I did bring 2 pairs, so one can stay somewhat clean and the others can be completely nasty. I mean, it is just mud, so let's not be too dramatic. It's finally time to leave. Also, out of nowhere, my hotspot stopped working. And I am trying to upload the video from yesterday, but nothing is happening. I wonder if it's my hotspot actually, or if YouTube is having problems. Anyway, you'll get the videos when you get them. There's nothing I can do about that, is there? I'm headed out now, and it looks like my timing is immaculate. I looked up 3 of the waypoints that are time-wise quite close to each other, but distance-wise they have quite the difference. So the second one that I looked at is the one that I'm going to. They are supposed to arrive there at 12:50. I will arrive there at 12:05, and now that I'm saying that, there is one problem that I do not understand fully. So what you have to understand is, I'm sorry that my head is hidden behind this, but once again I don't know where my proper mount is. It's just chaotic with me. What the Rally Raid did, the Rally Raid Portugal, is they kept everything on Portuguese time, even though we were in Spain. But I'm not 100% sure if they did that with everything. Like the visitors information online for these viewpoints, which is where I'm going to, I'm not quite sure if they are still in Portuguese time or in Spanish time. So you obviously fell again. I don't know how much longer this DJI is gonna stick with me. I just hope that this week she will survive. Goodness gracious! Oh, okay. Long story short, I don't fully understand. With the timing, is it in Portuguese time? Is it in Spanish time? I don't even know where I'm going. Am I going back to Portugal? If I am going back to Portugal and it is Portuguese time, then I will be too late. Oh my god, my brain is burning. Like, it hurts when I try to understand this. Hold on, let's do this together. So they say they arrive at 12:50. Okay, to make life easier, let's say 1. They arrive at 1, okay? Portuguese time. That means it would be 2 Spanish time. I am in Spanish time still, and it tells me that I would arrive at 12. Oh, but then I'm an hour too early, aren't I? So I'm absolutely fine in time, if my math is correct. Chances are high that it's not correct. And it's going to be very funny to edit this afterwards, seeing if I manage to see a car or not. Just arrived at the viewpoint. Way too early, which is fantastic because the YouTube video still hasn't uploaded, which is not fantastic. But connection is good here. Sort of. So I'm gonna redo the whole thing and see if I can make it work. I don't want to jinx it, but the sun just came out and I had to turn up the AC because it got too hot in here. Please let the rain be over. Please, pretty please. 1 hour, 20 minutes left until I'm at the bivouac, and I'm not gonna make any stops anymore today. And once I'm there, there's one topic that I want to get you closer to, because it's one that is really, really close to my heart. I talk about it constantly and I will not stop talking about it because I think it's really important. Arrived at the bivouac. Behind me you see a stadium because we're basically located next to the stadium. In the stadium is our media center. It gives me a bit of drift vibes, Drift Europe. I don't know, whoever follows me will know what I mean, because the final round of the Drift European Drift Masters, that's what I wanted to say, is in Poland in a stadium as well. And here's the new bivouac. Now, to the topic that I wanted to talk to you about ever since this morning. It is about fuel. And to be more precise, it's about sustainable fuel being used here in the motorsport, here in the rally. Initially, when Dacia started to cooperate with Aramco, the goal was to create synthetic fuel. However, this whole cooperation developed, and from this year onwards, the team is driving solely on sustainable fuel. The difference with synthetic fuel, CO2 is being taken out of the air, and with a very complex chemical reaction, it is being turned into fuel. With sustainable fuel, you use biomass, usually it's bio-waste, and you turn that into fuel. With the fact that these cars from Dacia are running solely on this type of fuel, means that they are reducing their CO2 emissions massively, and they prove that there are more solutions than just one when it comes to driving a car sustainably. And if you know me at all, you know that this is a topic that is so close to my heart. I don't agree with anyone saying that there's only one solution to drive a car sustainably, and I'm a massive, massive fan from, let's say, other fuel options. If it's synthetic or sustainable with bio-waste or whatever, there are so many options, I don't care. And I know it exists for diesel as well. And that is why motorsport is important, and that is one of the key reasons why Dacia is in motorsport. I explained to you guys yesterday that there is this whole story about branding, but there's also the story about fuel and about proving that there are ways to drive a car as sustainably as possible. I absolutely love this. And I will not stop talking about this. For now I will, because the day is pretty much over and I need to edit this video. But yeah, topic close to my heart, and thank goodness I get to speak about it again. I enjoyed using the content from the Dacia team so much, I want to do it again right now.